subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has finally launched its new flagship phone in the China called Realme GT with a unique design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Realme GT features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a tall 91.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Realme GT supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. At the front, it has an 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.5 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. The device comes backed by 4500 mAh battery that supports 65W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with 3D tempered liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.5 by 73.3 by 8.4 mm and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme GT has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Galacticus, Deep Sea Blue and Dawn color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from March 10th. So what do you guys think of this Realme GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.